I'm a Malayali, lives in Kerala, the coconut state of incredible India. This beautiful state located in the southern tip of our great nation with 40,000 square kilometers in size and an average of 35 million people. Interestingly, Kerala is one of the most thickly populated states in the country. Now, Kerala is in the front pages of many of the newspapers across the world to tell you the success story of how remarkably Kerala has controlled COVID-19 in a most effective way. To understand the greatness and the difficulty of the job, we should try to compare Kerala with some of the most advanced countries across the globe. Let's take United States of America, which is the most advanced country in the world. 9.7 million square kilometers in size with a population of 320 million people. That makes 36% per square kilometer. If you take Canada, which is 4% per square kilometer, and in Russia, it is 8% per square kilometer. When we come to Italy, the total land area of the country is 0.3 million square kilometers with a population of 60 million. That makes 205% per square kilometer. When it comes to Kerala, 860% per square kilometer. Here the greatness comes, the true partnership between government and the people. Kerala has an educated society, exposure to the world, unparalleled medical system, world-class education with 100% literacy, holding one of the best socio-economic condition in the whole country. Moreover, it is a holiday destination not to be missed. National Geographic Traveler recognized this beautiful state as one of the 10 paradises of the world and 50 must-visit places of a lifetime. Wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, lakes, canals, houseboats, backwaters, fantastic signature hotels, mesmerizing beaches, hill resorts, excellent food, wonderful people, Ayurveda wellness centers, and a rich cultural heritage, a true recipe of paradise. I am sharing this story not to invite you to this paradise now. We are still not ready and need more time. But I am here to share our happiness about this great piece of land which celebrate the success of togetherness and the everlasting beauty of nature. God really blessed us. We had only 4 fatalities in Kerala so far. We have started to open almost the whole state to travel. Awareness to every section of society, fully enforced law, and explaining the situations, we made it possible. Now I feel it is the time each Keralite can proudly share this video to the world to know the story of Kerala. The right combination of nature and beautiful people. The story of togetherness of success and celebration. Thank you. Nani.